For the next 5 nights, we will be aboard the Voyager of the Seas, visiting Costa Maya and Cozumel. In our last travel series, we sailed on the exact same ship, itinerary, and nearly the same cabin during the 4th of July. On this cruise, we will be celebrating Claire's birthday. We will also have a crew with us, Claire's brother John and sister-in-law Ashley, that you guys have seen on previous videos, and Claire's mom and dad, which is actually their first cruise.
Oh, wow. We have made it aboard Voyager of the Seas again.
Oh, door was slammed. Oh, and I hit the door.
We obviously have spent some time off the ship.
It's only been like 6 weeks, but we're back.
We're excited, and we're heading to the winter.
Hey, it's your birthday cruise
My
then.
birthday cruise.
We have a crew with us today though, or for this cruise. So, it's gonna be fun.
It's a surprise.
Oh, you got a door sign?
Yay! Oh, yay! Aww. So it's currently about 2 o'clock. We're coming up on the time when all guests have to be on board. We should be sailing off in the next couple of hours. But this cruise is a special cruise for me. It's my birthday cruise. I'm turning 30 on aboard this cruise, so I'm really excited for that. And to help celebrate, my parents are on their first cruise, and we're back with my brother and sister-in-law, John and Ashley, who you've seen in other vlogs. So I'm really looking forward to this 5-night trip. We're going to Cozumel and Costa Maya. So very similar to the vlog series that you just saw. So hopefully we can keep it interesting for you guys.
Yeah, so if you guys noticed all the little dangly things from the ceiling here, and there's this little cable thing is pretty neat. You actually get to take it home and hang pictures up against them. But, you know, this is the decoration package that you can get through Royal Caribbean. And we found it basically on their website, and you just search for Royal Caribbean gifts and you can choose several different things. And yeah, there's a lot of things that you get with it. So these things you hang around the bed, little picture, cable thing. And then they even give you this little frame here. Actually, we have 2 frames.
Yeah.
So that's pretty neat. And then things for the mirror. So
yeah, and on the door. So the surprise on the door is on the outside of the door as well.
Yeah.
So it's a really nice package. I've seen them offered and was always kind of curious how it worked out. It was really exciting. This was a true surprise for me, so I didn't know what I was walking into. So I was very excited. It's very cute.
I was actually concerned that if I made the purchase that you would be able to see it, but I was able to purchase it separately and not connected with our booking. So
is that why it says to Michael from Michael? Claire, happy dirty 30.
I don't know. I thought I put your name on there, but oh well. We'll see. So pretty neat. If you guys are interested, just check out the Royal Caribbean website under gifts.
There's all different packages. Yeah. I know that when I was looking at them, there was like a just married, there was an anniversary. There might have been like a first time cruiser one, which I don't think was too different. Maybe it just wasn't gifts. But there's different packages you can choose from for special occasions.
Ooh, there's a couple of dolphins. Ooh, there's one right there. Nice. So, yeah, we're at the helipad in front of the ship. It's so hot up here. It's also over 100 degrees. But it's fun. It's always fun. Got to sail away. I guess we've never watched them pull the lines before. It's kind of funny because the last line was stuck.
Dang.
The line's huge compared to the guy.
We better get out there before they whip us back.
Look at that. Now they're pulling it away. And he's going to go undo this other one. Well, we're moving now.
Yeah.
Barely, but we're moving.
We're moving. You're moving sideways. It's so cool.
It's hot. There's a little bit of breeze though.
It's not too bad.
So we're definitely moving. So we haven't actually done much. We sat at Schooner Bar, Tavern Bar, went to the helipad, and that's about it.
We're on a cruise ship. What else do you expect?
Not much, I guess. But what do you think your parents think of the cruise ship so far?
Seems to be so far so good. I think they're surprised by how much nothingness there is. And I mean, of course, a cruise, you can make it whatever you want. You can do as much or as little as you want, but I really like doing not that much. It's a vacation. I want to enjoy the time that I have to just hang out.
Yeah, I think your dad said he was just zoned out as we were sitting in the tavern.
And that was when we were docked. So just wait till the ship starts having that gentle glide.
What did you call it? Can't wait till the...
Till the ship rocks me to sleep.
Yeah. So it's funny. Well, we're definitely on our way now. It's hot outside.
It's about 5 o'clock. We've got dinner in the main dining room at 5:30. We'll be in the main dining room every night this cruise. So looking forward to that.
Actually, we have spent time looking at the menu.
Of course.
Actually, Ashley has. So she knows what she's getting. I don't know. I like to look at the menu, physically look at it. So we'll see. What's tonight, though?
Welcome aboard. So just kind of a mismatch of, I'll say, fairly American food.
Mm-hmm.
There is a vegan option, of course, but there's fried chicken, prime rib. There's a fish option. I know I'm looking forward to the shrimp cocktail appetizer.
Oh, yeah. I'm going to get that. Probably something else. We'll see.
Yeah, I think my parents are excited to get different appetizers and entrees and maybe multiples and try different things.
Yeah, so, with your parents here, we're going to obviously try to... You may see some weird camera angles trying to, I guess, not put them on...
Yeah, be respectful of their privacy.
Yeah, for sure. John and Ashley have been on. You guys have seen them on a couple of our videos now, so you'll probably see them from time to time. But other than that, excited. Hopefully your parents enjoy the cruise. It's too late now.
I know it's going to be 5 long nights if something goes south, but I guess we're going south physically, so.
Yeah. I think it'll be fun. I think there's a little bit of, I don't know, we'll see how the weather is in Cozumel. But no, Costa Maya. I think there's some disturbance in the area.
I think there's a disturbance over a large part of Mexico, so we'll see how it goes.
There needs to be a disturbance at home because we haven't had rain in what did they say, 40-something days now? Yeah. It's brutal. But we're going to head to dinner.
What happened?
Surprise! More door stuff.
Is this why you were being so odd about the magnets? Or standard magnets? Who did this?
Huh?
Who did this?
Ashley.
Thank you, Ashley.
I didn't even hear.
That's crazy. That's a true surprise.
So what do we have?
That's awesome.
And all that. Cool. And then we added ours here at the bottom.
Can't mess up what Ashley did.
Yeah.
Thanks, Ashley.
5 hours later.
This video is pretty short.
But we met some of our subscribers.
Yeah, I guess so.
Somebody that watches us.
So yeah, we met a few people in the casino that recognized
that was awesome.
us. So said hello. It's awesome. We love that. So if you guys actually see us on the cruise, make sure you go, stop and say hello. So that's always fun. Oh wow, look at all these.
I know, this is awesome.
That is a lot.
Oh. Okay, there we go.
Go ahead. We don't get a towel animal.
What is this?
I don't know.
What happened?
What do you mean what happened?
Did you get these?
No. They were up here when I
Where are
came
they
back to the
from?
room.
Well, that's all you.
Well, I don't know.
That smells so chocolatey. That's right up my alley. Where is it from?
I'm pretty sure it's from Carrie.
Oh, thanks, Carrie.
She was texting me a couple weeks ago.
So do we know if it's gluten-free?
Well, she knows it would need to be.
I
I know
trust Carrie.
And I know she was actually on the phone with them
Oh.
several times, so it very well could be.
Oh, well, thank you. That means so much to me. Birthday cruise.
So, yeah, it looks good though. Let's see it.
It smells so good.
Look at that.
My mom used to make a cake, like a very standard chocolate cake with a chocolate Jello pudding frosting, and it was so decadent and delicious. And this smells like that.
And then what was the other thing? Chocolate covered strawberries?
Chocolate covered strawberries, which I love. Uh-oh. And
So,
like
yeah.
a lot of them.
Yeah, those look really good too. Which you sent your parents them, right?
Yes. Thank you, Carrie. This means a lot.
Those look really good.
They do look good.
What? So you're already trying the strawberry? How is it?
It's very good. I love chocolate covered strawberries.
So after dinner, man, I don't even know. I can't remember what I had at dinner. No, I do remember. So I had
Spaghetti.
the spaghetti bolognese. Is that how you pronounce it?
Bolognese.
Bolognese? Which everybody has been raving about, so I've been wanting to get it, and I finally did. And it was actually pretty good spaghetti meat sauce. Is basically what it is. So that's but I had the shrimp cocktails, spaghetti, and then a New York style cheesecake. And Claire had the shrimp cocktail,
The pan-seared fish,
pan-seared fish. Was that any
which
good?
is delicious.
Yeah.
I'd recommend that. Had potatoes gratin, which they exceeded my expectations. And then I did the dark chocolate custard. So if you didn't know, I love chocolate.
So we have chocolate with strawberries. And actually, the piece of cake that we got is pretty big.
It's not a piece of cake.
Oh yeah, you're right.
It's a whole
cake. And it looks pretty good. So overall dinner was good, and we finally got a table next to the window for the first time.
That was very exciting.
That was cool. It was a little warm though.
Says the one that wasn't sitting with their back to the window.
Hey, Claire's actually chose that seat. She was the first one to pick, and she picked a
I
seat
didn't want to make
not
anybody
facing
else sit
the water.
There. I didn't want to make anybody else sit there.
Oh, but
You could have been like, "Oh no."
it was cool. The water
I
was
want
like,
you to see the water.
well, you didn't see the water. It looked like glass.
Yeah, you could have stepped in and said, "Hey, you should be able to see this." But nobody did. So I was there.
Oh man. What did we do after dinner? We saw the comedian, which was okay. Wasn't great. So I hate to say it, but so far I don't know how many cruises we've been on, but would you agree that Carnival? We've only been on one Carnival cruise, and they by far has had the best comedians.
Well, I mean, those comedians could also easily be on Royal.
They could have.
It's not
but
like
they're
they're-
not.
They could be. We just don't see them. It's not like we know every comedian on every ship.
Yeah.
The comedians that we saw on the Carnival Breeze this past October were the best comedians we've seen.
For sure. So is the Caesar salad.
And with that,
What? And then what else did we do? We just went back. Oh, no, we went to the casino. That was fun until I took a beating. That's okay. Seems like Claire's parents had a really good time in the casino, though.
Yeah, I think so. I was surprised. Well, it's so cute because, like, my mom got so excited for every small win. Like, even if it was like 50 cents, like, it was a win. It was, like, so cute to see how excited she got.
We were there, but yeah.
Like, we might have been like, oh, like, that wasn't as good as a win as we were hoping for. And she'd be like, woohoo! So cute. So it's fun to be with everybody.
Yeah, it's always fun to go on a cruise with people's first time. So just to see their reactions on certain things, and so far everything's been great. And then we just hung out at the tavern the rest of the evening. It's been fun.
It's only day one.
Tomorrow, sea day. I don't know what we're gonna do, but I guess a bunch of trivia tomorrow.
Heck yeah.
That's what we normally do. We're gonna win koozies.
We better.
We have a big team this time, so we better win something.
All right. Well, with that, we'll see you guys in the next one.
See ya.